Hey everyone, it's Larry from wstrades.com doing a technical analysis update video on ticker symbol SPY, which is the S&P 500 ETF. Man, so we are kind of at a key level here. I'm going to zoom in. See this candle from 224, where we had this weird day where futures almost limit down. And then as soon as the market opened, buyers just stepped in and just ripped this thing higher and started trading kind of sideways. And we had this, again, another weird rally for no reason the following week. And then just everything has been in kind of a downfall since then. But we closed at this level on Friday. It coincides perfectly with the low of that candle where we had that weird limit down almost in futures and then rip back from 224. So I think if this level holds, we'll see a move higher. I don't know how much higher. That's the weird thing about what's going on is I thought that, even though I am super bearish on the market, I don't see any reason why we're at even these levels right now. I thought that you'd start seeing buyers stepping in, just kind of looking at things as kind of a bargain at this point where, we've just had this sell-off, this continued sell-off. And so, I thought we'd see buyers, bargain hunters stepping in and kind of driving prices higher, but we haven't seen that yet. I thought that was, kind of what this rally was, but, at the same time, there's no good news going on around the world, around the economy. So I guess that's why, it wasn't sustainable, and you can see it wasn't very high volume on this anyway. So as soon as volume started stepping in, everything got crushed, and right now we're seeing some elevated volume, and it's just big choppy moves. So I'm looking at that level to hold, like I say, around 410. If we can stay above that, we should see a move higher and just at least some sideways chop. If it closes below that, I think, I'll zoom out again. We see these two wicks on the candle from 520 or 5.2, and then this last Friday, these two wicks sticking out actually hit or came very close to hitting the low that we had for this yearly chart, which was way back almost a year ago, 512 of last year, when it hit 404. You can see buyers came in, as soon as it hit that level, started buying this thing up. Same thing on Friday, came down towards that level, buyers stepped in, brought this thing back up to actually, it says it finished green, but we had a gap down on it. So I don't know. I'm just keeping an eye on that level. I don't know if it's going to hold. I don't think it should. Like I say, I'm super bearish on this market right now. I think if this level that we're at, that we closed at around 410, doesn't hold and we close below that, I think it'll probably stall out around this level of around 404. And, we'll test that a little bit and just kind of chop around until some sort of news comes out to drive this thing, the markets in general, either lower, which I'm assuming is going to happen, or, kind of get some confidence back in people and, get some buyers to step in and drive this price higher. So right now, I'm just looking at this level of 410. I'm waiting to see if this thing holds because it's hit it a couple times, tested it, and ended up holding nicely. But, like I say, I am not bullish on this market at all. I'm waiting for the bottom to fall out. So we'll see. Just keep an eye on that level, 410, going into Monday. But we'll pull up futures, and S&P futures down almost 9%, so almost a full percent. NASDAQ, same thing. Russell's getting crushed, down 1%. But, I don't even look to futures for guidance anymore after we had this stupid rip where I was like, okay, well, things are coming back to reality. Everyone sees the economy's crap. World news is crap. It's just, and we had this massive gap, and then buyers just ripped this thing up. So, like I say, futures are down almost 1%. So, that would indicate this level isn't going to hold, but we'll see if that actually holds true when the market actually opens and big volume steps into this thing. So anyways, tread carefully. Thank you guys for watching.